Hey guys, I have the Boxycharm September Premium box for you guys. I was sent this in a PR, which I'm super excited. This is, I think, the first or second time that they send me the premium box. So I did a full unboxing and try on. I will have timestamps down below for you, as well as like my final thoughts. I do get compensation if you use my Boxycharm link down below. I'm thankful for those who do, but obviously I like to be straight up about it. And also my social media is down below. Definitely follow me, especially on Instagram. I've been doing like little makeup tutorial videos if you're into that, or flat lays or things like that. You can follow me down below and subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd love to have you guys around. I do unboxings of basically like every Boxycharm. There is the base box, the luxe, the premium, the whole 9 yards, and it's usually a try on portion as well, so you guys can actually see the products, what I like, what I didn't like, what worked, whatever. So let's go ahead and jump into this month. This is the Glam Vibes Only. That is the theme. My box is version number 13. So the first thing in here is the Eloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. This is worth $46. I have never heard of this brand. That is something that I really enjoy about subscription boxes, is getting to know brands that you don't know or trying them out. It's a great way of trying them out. And premium is, I think, $35 if I'm not mistaken, because I pay for mine too. So mine, the not PR one, will be coming soon as well, so I'll have a video for that. So this one is all about queens, and they're highly pigmented. It's actually the eyeshadow look that I created today. I do this in the try on portion if you're curious. And as soon as I saw the aesthetic, so here's the little unicarton, and as soon as I saw the aesthetic, I automatically thought about Juvia's Place, just because it kind of reminds me of that like queen, and you know, but it is really nice. They have like various skin tones on her, so it's like you're a queen no matter what skin tone you are. So I really enjoyed that. And so it's basically the same woman with 3 different skin tones, from light to a dark complexion, and it says a queen lies in all of us. So I really like the whole concept of it with the whole crown. And it says it has 20 pigments. There's matte, shimmers, pearl, metallics, and a dual chrome topper. And this is cruelty free. It says it lasts 24 months. And it does have a nice little mirror, and it says the queen, as if you're looking at yourself and you're like, I'm the queen. So I really like that. I thought that was super cute. And I also like the fact that it's easy to use when you're actually applying the makeup, because it does, like, you don't have to put that much effort to hold it up, and it doesn't like fully flop all the way down. So these are the shades right here. You get a lot of variety of beautiful shades in here, and like lots of pops of color. So I really enjoyed just seeing it. This color right here, Queen, reminds me of one that is in the Carly Bybel Anastasia palette, where it's like that purple with like a crap ton of different glitters in it. It looks beautiful. And these shimmers just apply seamlessly. They're super pigmented. I didn't have to wet them to get them to be this pop of color on my eye. It was just literally that banging when you put it on. It's just super pigmented. The mattes that I use, I think I only used one. I used Sheba, and it blended really nicely. I will definitely be playing around with this on my Instagram if you guys want to follow me there. Just super fun palette. I can just see myself creating a lot of fun looks, as well as even like more of neutral looks with like golds and shimmers. Like here, jewels. And I like the fact that it has a lot of all the names are inspired by things that have to do with queens, like Regal, Crown, Elizabeth, Your Highness, Honorable, My Lady, Curtsy, Impressed, Sheba. So all of those are related to being a queen or different queens that there have been. And I just thought that the whole concept of it is really nice. So was definitely impressed by this. We'll be adding to my collection, and like I said, we'll be sharing looks. Next up is the Marc Jacobs Beauty. This is the Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. This is worth $59. I know that for the choice, you could pick like one of 3 of the Marc Jacobs, 2 highlighters, and then the gel cream. The only thing that kind of sucks with these subscription services that give you the choice is that if you're not there on time to pick yours, sometimes the other ones sell out, because I wanted the Marc Jacobs the lighter highlighter one, and I got the bronzier one. That was the only one available when I went to pick for my choice, so that will be coming in my premium box, and I will definitely be sharing with you guys my thoughts on that one. But this is super nice. I absolutely love this. If you have dry skin, you are gonna adore this. It looks like jelly in here. I actually tried this on so you guys can see how hydrating it makes your skin. Like, your skin literally glows. I will definitely be adding this into my skincare. Love skincare. I live for skincare. I love taking care of my skin, and this is just so nice. And I'm glad that it is nice because Marc Jacobs is pricey, so it's nice to know that you're getting a good product for the price point. And like I said, this is $59. It basically is like a multitasking moisturizer. It says that it smooths away rough textures and reveals refresh surface. So it's a super hydrating, moisturizing cream, and I am so excited to keep using this. And it does have like pineapple water, it has antioxidants, dragon fruit. It's supposed to make your skin like plumper, but as soon as I used this, it was amazing. I did a full unboxing and then took off makeup, and my skin has just been like reacting to just be doing so many makeup looks today, that I took like a little break and just put this on, and it really just hydrated and brought my skin like back to life. So excited, super excited. Okay, next thing in here is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Face Oil. This is the only thing that I didn't try on just because it's an oil, and it's more for nighttime use. So it's a multi-active, lightweight, dry facial oil, and it has all kinds of oils in it: lemon, rose, vanilla, geranium, lavender, omega-3. It's supposed to protect your skin and basically increase moisture, increases elasticity. And let's go ahead and pop this little sucker out of here. And I've never heard of Emma Hardy. This is worth $55. The bottle looks like pretty high end, looks really nice. Let's go ahead. It smells like one of those kind of like really natural oils. And let's just see. So just like an oil, it just leaves your skin nice and soft, really nice. I love mixing in oils with all my skincare. I'm all about skincare, like I said previously, so anything that's gonna help these, I'm gonna try. Next thing on here is the Kitsch's Ice Roller. So it's basically an ice roller that you can do at home. It's a facial. It's surgical stainless steel, and it helps calm inflammation. It increases blood circulation. You can even use it for sore muscles and headaches. And you just basically pop it in your freezer, and then when you take it out, you leave it 2 or 3 minutes, and then you roll your face. You guys will actually see me using it in the try on portion. It was really interesting. It's worth $18. It feels really nice on the skin. I will continuously use it whenever I can. And I like the fact that you can use it on sore muscles, because sometimes, you know, when you start hitting your late 30s, like everything starts crack-a-lacking. So I think it's nice to be able to like use it on your shoulders, or like if you got a bad knee, or you know, you start getting a Charlie horse, you can like roll it on there. So this is what it looks like right here. I did, like I said, use it. So I did open it. And basically, I just kind of like wrapped it in a little paper towel and put it in my freezer. And then you, when you take it out, like leave it maybe like a minute or two, so that way it's not like icy, is too cold for you. And then you just literally like roll it, and you can even hold it underneath your eyes. Really nice, really nice. So. And then the next thing is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Scrub. I also use this. This is nice. It's kind of weird because I'm used to more lip scrubs like in a pot where it's literally sugar and you like scrub. This is more of a light exfoliation. It's more of a lip balm with tiny little sugar crystals in there. So that's just something to look out for if you were looking to purchase this. This isn't something that's going to give you like a full-on scrub. Like if you have really dry lips and you need like a full-on lip scrub, this is not probably going to help you as much. It does give a lot of hydration though, and I also did try a little bit of this on as well, and that is worth $22. And then the last thing is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. This is $22. I actually really enjoy Stila's liners. They're really nice. They work really great. And this one is just like a dark brown. It's basically just one of these like twist up. Okay, are you gonna twist up? Okay, no, it's not broken. I was twisting it the wrong way. So you have to twist up just this part, not the bottom. Oh, damn it. Okay, I literally broke the tip. So I really enjoy Stila's liners. They're really nice. So this is just a matte dark brown. And basically you just twist this part, the oh God, did I break it now? Okay, I can't get it to go back down, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But Stila's liners are some of my fave. I also love her brush tip for liquid liner on the lid. A really, really nice formulation. Stila has a lot of great products just in case. And that one is $22. And yeah, I'll go ahead and jump into the try on portion so you guys can see that and then give you guys my final thoughts. So I have quite a bit of skincare in here, and I'm going to start off with the Marc Jacobs. This is the Youth Quake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream. I actually, in my own choice for premium, chose the Luminizer from Marc Jacobs. So whenever I do my own video, you guys can see that in full action. Oh, wow. It almost looks like royal jelly or something. So let's just apply a little bit here and see what it feels like. It's really thick, so I feel like this is gonna be really good for those with dry skin like myself. Oh wow. It kind of has like a slight like clean honey smell to it, but this is so hydrating and really nice on the skin. Like you can definitely see like a glow to my skin. Really nice, just really nice and smooth on, and this is like filled to the brink, which is really nice as well, because you know Marc Jacobs is expensive. Next product I'm going to try is by Milk Makeup, and this is their Kush Lip Scrub. So it looks just like a lip balm. It has a very minty smell to it, and you can hardly feel the sugar in here. Okay, so I tried quite a bit of this on my lips. It feels super minty and nice on the lips. The only thing I will say is that if you are used to like more abrasive lip scrubs, this probably won't be for you. This is very, very nice and gentle. It almost took a minute for me to like actually feel some kind of crystals in here. The good thing about this is that it does exfoliate and hydrate at the same time. But the exfoliation is very, very light. The little crystals on there are almost like non-existent. Like it takes, like you can feel a little bit of them, but then they go away, which is nice because if you don't want to go through like dipping into a lip scrub or something that you have to wash off or wipe off, this one seems like super, super nice to keep in your purse or for somebody who has really dry lips, because it's more of a treatment and it's not something that you're like, you know, like a lot of these lip scrubs come in tubs and you have to take them and then rub them in and then wipe them off or eat it, whichever one you prefer. So this is a more like friendlier, travel friendly, clean way of, you know, moisturizing and exfoliating your lips. So the next thing I'm gonna try is this. I popped this in the freezer, and this is called the ice roller. So you put this in the freezer and then, ooh, that's cold. So you take it out for like a minute or two and then you rub your skin with it. It's supposed to, you know, ooh, it kind of tells you that you go upwards like this and then down your neck. Oh, that feels so nice and cold. And then it says you could do spot treatments, like especially underneath your eyes, like hold it here. Oh, I'm kind of like a little scared. Yeah. I would definitely say once you pop it in the freezer, like wait a few minutes when you take it out, just so like it's not like super, super cold. And then you could actually use this really nice, oh, I like this little tool. So you can do your forehead and your neck, and then it says even down your décolletage. Décolletage, is that the way you say it? But this feels super nice. And trust me, like as someone who is turning 38 this year, any little thing about skincare I am all about. Like I'm willing to try it, see if it helps, you know, treatments, laser treatments, whatever it is. Mama's gonna try it. Except for injectables, I haven't done any of those yet, just because I don't know. I think I've watched too much of Botched, to be honest with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this palette. This is called The Queen, and these shades are so fun and very, very beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with Sheba as my all over crease color. And it's just a muted neutral brown, and we'll see how this brown kind of just blends. And my eye is a little irritated, especially my right one, just because I'm filming a lot of videos today and this is like my third eye look. So taking off makeup and putting it on has just irritated my eyes completely. So hopefully this is worth the sacrifice. So I'm thinking of doing a halo eye, and I'm going to use this shade Throne on the inner corner and the outer part of the eye, and then use this beautiful Sovereign Rain as the shade in the middle. So let's see how this turns out. Hopefully it's not that big of a mess for me. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take is the Sovereign Rain, and I'm just going to use the smallest brush that I own, which is my little MAC 228. I highly recommend this brush. It's amazing for the inner corner, and I'm going to pop that shade. Whoa, that is pigmented. These shadows are just gorgeous, and I'm just going to pop that in the middle of the lid. Moly. So I'm going to finish off this look, and then once I do my foundation and everything, we will do the lower line and pop some lashes on in the whole 9 yards, and I'll be right back. For my final thoughts, I have to say I really enjoy this box. I really like it. The standout product for me has got to be the moisturizer and the eyeshadow palette. I was like, whoa, buddy. They are super good and nice. I am so excited to keep using them. The one that I was a little bit let down was the Milk Makeup one. I expected it to be just a tiny bit more exfoliating on the lips. Other than that, everything else is really nice in here, really good. Something that I would use. This one is more of a box with a lot of skincare and just like 2 things that were makeup, but I really don't mind that. A lot of times I like trying new skincare or incorporating new skincare into my routine, just because I'm always looking for something to help my skin or improve it. And definitely this Marc Jacobs, I'm impressed. I'm super impressed. I'm kind of like glad that it came in this PR box, because when I first saw it, I was like, it's a moisturizer. I'm gonna go for the shimmer, like I wanted the Marc Jacobs Glow bronzer. So that's what I chose as my choice. And now I'm like, oh God, if I hadn't gotten this in PR, I would have never known how good this thing is. So, you know, sometimes you might think like something's not that great, and then when you try it, it's amazing. So as always, I will put total value around here. Like I said, I really enjoyed this box. I feel like it has great products in here. I wish the Milk was a little bit more moisturized, more exfoliating, but it's not, you know, a dud or anything. I would still use it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this month's box. I'd love to hear back from you. Like I said, I will have my own box coming in soon, so I will do a video on that as well, a full unboxing and try on for you guys. And that one definitely will have different products, just because I know for sure that I chose the Marc Jacobs, the shimmer glow thing. So let me know what your thoughts are down below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.